Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by securing your workspace and gathering tools. You want no surprises once you start. First, stand on a stable ladder and remove the valance by unclipping its top clips so the headrail is exposed. Next, visually confirm the bracket type, spring clip or screw fixed, because release actions differ. Once done, reach up with one hand to support the headrail while you prepare to disengage the first bracket. This prevents the blind from dropping unexpectedly and keeps cords from tangling. You now focus on freeing the headrail safely. With one hand holding the headrail, press the spring tab on the bracket inward. If you have screws, back them out until the headrail can tip out. Make sure to work both ends before attempting to move the blind. Once both brackets are released, tilt the headrail downward toward you slowly so the slats don't fan out. Then, clear lift cords from any pulleys and guide the headrail down to a stable surface. This step prevents damage to the mechanism. You finish by taking off the brackets and organizing screws into a labeled container so reinstallation is straightforward. Then clean the headrail and slats and store them flat to avoid bending. If you need to patch wall holes, fill with appropriate filler and touch-up paint. If the headrail won't release, don't force it. Depress the release tab completely, give the bracket a gentle tap with a screwdriver handle, or carefully pry the clip. Working gradually prevents breaking the bracket or the headrail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.